What's going on, YouTube? Got one of my pups in the starting pen with Hoss. He opened up yesterday. So I'm gonna see what's gonna go on today. Find him. Yesterday he was on Mr. Bunny, opened up for the first time. He'll be 5 months old on the 18th. Trapper. Find him. Find him. Find him. Find him. Find him. Get in there. Find him. Find him. Find him. Find him. Find him. I just saw a rabbit. Oh, he's smelling. He's smelling. He smell it. Find him. Find him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Find him. Find him. Find him. That son got a good nose on him. He wind sensitive. Find him. 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 No, he found it. Find him. Find him. Find him. Find him. Find him. Hoss got it. Find him. Find him. Find him. Find him. I had to break both of them up. He got a little mate, a male, but all he wanted to do was to play together. So I had to break them up in order to train him. Oh, he got his own rabbit. Find him. Find him. Find him. Find him. Talk to me, Trapper. Find him. Find him. Find him. Find him. Find him, Trapper. Find him. Find him. Find him. He went this way. Find him. Work him out. There you go. He went this way. Find him. Find him. There you go. Find him. Find him. Yeah, they working it. But like I say, I get his brother started, then I have something on my hands. So hey, I want to thank y'all for tuning in, watching Great Plains Beagles. We're turning beagles into rabbit dogs. Great Plains Trapper. Great Plains Beagles out.